Government explosive cuma Indian Army hoa hi leki loe.
Indian also terakhir macam government
Sapriang kinsan kini ki video ki baper ki balami na poka jela Manipur hak paidbah hak jingale aprang ki kuki bat ki meitei kene ka video kala sapriang bala kamru bak ki shipai Indian Army bat kumju ki shipai Assam Rifle kila ai ka ïarap ya ki lehnoh kuki bat kumju ya ki breu kuki kum si benta banyak kun persya ya ki meitei ki badan apa kata ki jela kene ka video kala sapriang hadin bagi neki lehnoh meitei ki breu meitei kila poi kata ke jaka ha ka baki kuki ki shongsnong bat mari poi ki neki meitei ki kuki kila her krat no baraka jing her krat chongki ki kuki kila klad yaune ubam ha ka ba lakam bala adik shipai Indian Army ya kita ki kuki ki bala pet krat ki MLA cakap jela Manipur berkumjur ki nang shongsnong cakap jela Manipur ki bedai ki meitei kila kam kila kena baki shipai Indian Army kumjur ki shipai Assam Rifle baru asketa ki juya rabai ya ki kuki lane ki lehnoh kuki banyak kon persya ki bor pulit cakap jela Manipur bat kumjuru ya ki meitei cakap jela Manipur hi ki meitei kila peniru ki sakhi ngelengit hak baki shipai ki dan bentalang bat ki lehnoh kuki kene gawe kedor kelas sapriang viral mentah ki social media poka jela Manipur hadin bala sakhi bau shipai Assam Rifle ulap dan bentalem bat ki lehnoh kuki kum sebentar banyak herkuli ya ki nang sang cakap jela Manipur ki badai ki meitei sakane gawe ke jing pensyaru ha ka baki meitei cakap jela Manipur kila ang baki shipai ki ïarap kuki kalang baki ni shipai Assam Rifle kila kendo markmat bat ki lehnoh kuki ki babat gun bat pistol hendrai ke bolong lingwa ki shipai kim simla kem ya kita ki kuki bat kim kneru ya kita ki pistol jong kita ki kuki ki bam ki namding ki kuli ter mentala sakhi apa kata ke jela Manipur hadin baki lehnoh kila kledno ya ki shadin Bad yakini ki bamru la suba bala ai dik shipai cakari India ya ki lehnoh kuki kum si benta banyak kon persya ya ki meitei hadin jaga jing sapriang caki kubar ba per haka paidbah baka jing le shiliang caki shipai apa kata ke jela kilat pathai kubar ba per cangkari India kilawan kiu sapa sor shilong jongi bala yakindu yau te u hedo u director general cangki shipai Assam Rifle kilat pathai kubar kilaya interview bad u ne general ru ya bola tep kerteng kumuta u lieutenant general PC Nayar ne general lai tu ba amdan keno kata ka jing le shiliang haka paidbah baka jing le apreng ki kuki bat ki meitei hapo kata ke jela
at the very outset tell all the viewers that along with the Indian Army we have been playing an absolutely unbiased kind of a role here. And I also want to clarify certain other issues of people saying or wrongly alleging that we are biased towards a particular community, which we are not. I want to make that absolutely clear. If you see again the number of bunkers that were established by both the communities, the numbers that we have destroyed are equal. The weapons that we have recovered again from both the communities are equal. The number of people that we have helped become victims of violence again is equal. So how can we be biased? Look a little further. We are a northeast centric force. We have been here, but we are also an all India, all class composition. We have soldiers from all over the country. So to us, both the communities are absolutely the same. Why should we be, partial to one particular community? We are not.